Hi guys, Ashel here from Brazinga Lingerie with another before and after bra fit video. Today's fabulous client came in wearing a 40 double D bra. And I know what you're thinking, this not looking so bad compared to some of the other videos we've seen, right? Right?
Wrong. So wrong.
The issue here is that there's no space between the girls.
Yeah, there's just one boob log.
Yeah. I know a lot of people think this is what cleavage looks like, but it's not. According to the Oxford Dictionary, cleavage is defined as the hollow between a woman's breasts when supported, especially as exposed by a low-cut garment. And this does not have that. So, we're going for a look more like this. The girls are separated, they're up, they're lifted, and they're looking fabulous. And here is a side-by-side comparison so you can see the difference a little space can make.